Hello everyone. I am Min-seok Ko, the General Manager responsible for producing this course, and I'm a professor of Department of Oral and Maxillofacial Radiology at Seoul National University. This dental implantology course is a comprehensive program designed for beginners and intermediate practitioners to provide them with essential knowledge and skills in implant treatment. This course consists of 10 lectures over 3 days, and it is designed to cover essential stages of dental implantology. Day 1 covers considerations before implant treatment and anatomy and diagnosis for implants. Day 2 focuses on surgical procedures for implants and implant prosthetics. Day 3 covers post-implant care. The first topic on day 1 is considerations before implant treatment, delivered by Professor Yong-dae Kwon, a professor of oral and maxillofacial surgery at Gyeonggi University. His expertise includes oral and maxillofacial surgery, dentofacial deformities, and implant dentistry. His lecture is divided into 2 subtopics. The first is strategy of dental treatment in antiresorptive therapy, and the second is MRONJ and dental implants. You can understand what to consider before starting implant treatment in his lecture. The second lecture on day 1 is delivered by Professor Samsun Lee, who is a professor of oral and maxillofacial radiology at Seoul National University. The topic of her picture is anatomy and diagnosis for implant treatment. Her lecture consists of 2 subtopics. The first is radiographic evaluation in dental implantology, and the second is ruling out any abnormal findings that may lead to implant failure. You will learn about topics related to radiographic imaging for diagnosis and precautions when using radiographs in implant treatment. Day 2, the first lecture is Dr. In-sung Jeon, an oral and maxillofacial surgery specialist. His main topic is a surgical procedure for an implant. His lecture consists of 2 subtopics. The first is immediate implant placement, and the second is the sinus surgery. You will learn the surgical procedure techniques for dental implant treatment. The second lecturer on day 2 is Dr. Jong-hyuk Kim, whose specialties are prosthodontics and oral and maxillofacial surgery. His topic in this course is dental implant prosthesis. His lecture consists of 2 subtopics. The first is various impression methods for dental implant, and the second is understanding of different connections of dental implants and screw mechanics. You will learn the dental prosthetics related to dental implant in his lecture. Day 3, the final lecturer is Professor Ki-tae Gu, a professor of the Department of Periodontology at Seoul National University. His expertise includes peri-implantitis and the management of compromised extraction sockets. His lecture focuses on how to take care of implants after treatment. His lecture consists of 2 subtopics. The first is Peri-Implantitis Treatment, and the second is Implant Maintenance. His lecture emphasizes post-treatment care for dental implant. This course not only provides in-depth theoretical knowledge, but also focuses on mastering each stage of implant treatment through lectures. We are excited to share this journey with you and look forward to the positive impact it will have on your practice. Thank you for joining this dental implant course. Welcome.